Now we're just going to add in a little bit of defensive work, so as he's finished that second hammer, I'm going to hook him in the head. He's going to use the elbow spear that we covered previously to enter in on me. So he goes jab, right, I hook him in the head, and he takes a little shuffle forward, right elbow goes in as he covers his head, bang. So he's smashing me in the chest, the pec, the shoulder with that elbow. Again, jab, diagonal high, diagonal low, cover the head. Elbow spear. I'm getting my head out of the way, I'm throwing a hook and I'm putting this pad here so he can drive that elbow spear in. That has a couple of effects. Either they kind of move away or they try and clinch. If they move away, we're going to follow with 2 diagonal hammers to finish this particular sequence. So we're focusing on diagonal high, diagonal low, and then we're going to finish with 2 diagonal X hammers up high. Jab, hammer high, hammer low. Crush, I move away, X. Almost didn't get the pads there. Sloppiness for Mid Master, go on this side.